Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 12 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's enter. And here in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find personalization. Here, right in the middle, we've got the wallpaper, so simply tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are installed by a default here. If you'd like to set your own photo as a wallpaper, you can do it. Just tap on this icon in the right upper corner and you will enter your gallery. However, I'll pick something from those options, and so let me tap on this one, for example. And as you can see, after tapping, your device will show it on the full screen. Unfortunately, it is not the wallpaper which you can change the position. You've got just one. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply, or actually application. And right now you can decide where you want to apply it. So the screen lock, the desktop, and both of them. And I will pick this option. So let me tap on it, and now we can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Blackview Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.